Tomas, we are back, my friend, and we've got trades from the research team. We're starting with strength on his last day. Baby Shark is in the house.
Baby Shark.
Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark.
What's going on? Do we have to bring John back?
Baby shark.
Mama Shark do 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 do. Mama Shark do 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 do. Mama Shark do 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 do. Mama Shark. Daddy Shark do do. All right, my man. How are you, Baby Shark? Everything well?
Yes, everything's going good.
Thank you for your tenure here. We appreciate it. You were wonderful. You were
A long time, now I can retire.
yes.
You can retire before you even start. Okay, so you're going back for your senior year
Going back for my senior year.
at Emory, which is it in Atlanta or just outside Atlanta?
It's in Atlanta.
It's in Atlanta.
Yeah. But like, Atlanta city limits are huge, so probably not.
They are.
It's not in the city center, so
Yeah, yeah. It's supposed to be a beautiful school.
yeah.
So what are you finishing your degree in?
Data science and economics.
Very nice.
Yes.
So what'd you think about your tasty experience this summer?
Are you Team Tom or Team Tony? Is really what he's asking right now.
He's Team Tom. You already signed. I have the contract here.
You could say Team Tom when the mic's on, but then in the
Okay.
background,
Right here,
later on.
contract.
Yeah,
I didn't want to say.
Of course,
but,
of course,
we
of
know,
course.
We understand. We have
Of
to
course.
appease Tom's feelings a little bit.
of course.
longer
I
with
understand.
him,
I
so.
understand. 100%.
And it also says Tom's intern on the contract.
Of course,
so.
of course. I know your mom's Team Tony.
Don't
I know that for sure.
forget who signs the check.
Yeah.
Team Tony doesn't pay you anything. Just remember that.
He's got a good point. He has a good point.
I'm gonna miss this vibe. If you're gonna ask me what I'm gonna miss the most
What?
out of this internship,
Yeah.
is the vibe at Tasty Trade.
It's good.
Yeah, you probably screwed the rest of your life. You'll have a.
Yeah, you're gonna get out. You'll be in some boring job. And
Yeah.
you'll be like sitting there, and you'll be like, man.
God, I wonder what Tom and Tony are doing right now.
Yeah.
Darn. Said no one ever. What's your first trade? What do you last trade for us?
It's Lululemon.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, you're doing this to torture Tom. Tom cannot wear Lululemon.
Did we just Tom? Do you have a Lululemon pants? Do you have anything in Lululemon?
Yeah.
You do?
At home.
What do you
not,
have?
Not here right now.
All
do you
the
have?
cool kids do, Tom.
What do you have?
Yeah, it's like a pair of like pants, like sweatpants.
Okay.
Yeah, ABC pants.
Yeah.
Of course. Everybody has them.
Yeah.
Everybody in the know.
Everybody but me.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's.
So we did this because it's a little difficult to find the high IBR stocks with no earnings coming in, but this is one of them. And so it's a little bit tight because I
It
think
does have earnings September 7th, just to put that to
I have on right now.
I meant earnings before management time.
understood.
I have the 330, 320, 430, 440. I almost have this exact same position on already.
Yeah.
We
But
did
you're,
it.
That's why he's leaving. His work here is done. He's mirroring the trades of the great one.
I mean, if you think Tasty Trade Research, like 20 delta, the short strikes are at the 20 deltas, and you're going $10 wide.
All right, don't show off on your last day.
I have to, a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna be,
1/3 the width of the credits.
Try
I
not
mean,
to show up. Try not to show up your professors in the. Are you taking any derivatives classes or finance classes to finish
Yeah,
it?
it's probably going to be part of my econ major, but I'm not going to learn anything I learned over here.
Oh no.
Those classes,
So. But don't try to show them up.
No,
don't,
I won't.
Don't
Okay.
correct him when he's wrong.
Yeah, don't correct him when
All
he's
right,
wrong.
at least not in front of everybody. Okay?
Okay.
Maybe on the side.
I mean, it's a good
So.
school. You don't want to embarrass people. They don't want to think, hey, I'm paying, $80,000 a year, and this kid, who is that kid, Baby Shark? He knows more than this professor. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So Lulu. So I actually have this position on.
Okay.
We did it We actually did it yesterday.
Cool.
Yeah.
I have one
Great.
question. When you go to school and you introduce yourself to fellow classmates and stuff like that, will you introduce yourself as Baby
he
Shark?
plays the walk-up music now.
Will you introduce yourself as Baby Shark?
Yeah, I mean, that's the rule I've learned here, right? You got to
Fantastic.
play walk-up music every time.
I love it. I love it.
People are going to ask me, why are you called Baby Shark?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Then I can explain the story to
Well,
nice.
you're a golfer, so when you walk up to the tee, you have to play the music.
Oh, yeah. It's very, very intimidating music. When
Oh,
you're
it
playing
is.
the tournaments and stuff, people are going to be.
If you have your
Take
own walk-up,
notice.
Yeah, they're
if
gonna
you have
take
your own
notice.
walk-up music, yeah. All right.
All right. Good job out of you. Now
Thanks,
get the hell
Al.
out of here.
Thank
We
you
got
so
Kai next. Kai.
Have an extra sandwich for lunch today.
What's up?
Kai, what's up, my friend?
Not much. All right, JP Morgan. So I'm not so.
Not so gung ho. It looks like.
It's a bearish trade. So I think the banking industry still has some problems. So and the IV is low, kind of. So I'm going to do a bearish diagonal.
Yeah, Ivy rank of
Pretty
15.
much.
Well, the stock's up near the highs, and it is up $1 or something this morning. So this is an interesting time. We'd be selling into strength, which is what we like to do.
Yeah.
So you want to sell the SEP 50 puts?
150.
SEP 1, yeah, we only say,
Don't correct him.
we know.
Don't
it's
correct him.
one.
What today will be your last day too.
Yeah.
Okay.
In this business, just so you know how it works, just because we want to help you, you only need to say the last part. So, like, if you're doing
okay.
this, you're doing in JP Morgan.
Unless he says the front number, then
doing
you have to
the-
follow it by the other two
You're
numbers.
doing the 50
Gotcha.
55 put spread. You don't need the first number because everybody knows you're not doing the plain 50 55. So you're buying the 50.
So I challenge you on your next trade that you come for trades from the research team to just put the last two.
What about the it's in thousands?
I'm telling you right now, don't correct him. Okay, just put the last two numbers there and see what he tells you. He goes, how am I going to find this? You'll see.
55 it is.
That's right. That's right. Test them.
All right. I think this thing should trade down maybe about 360, 370 today.
Okay.
So I like it.
Beautiful, beautiful. You get to live. We get to live.
You get to live.
I think we go to Anton, my man. Anton of Parts Unknown.
Oh, finally, we got the music going.
The audience heard Baby Shark. The audience heard. We didn't hear it. What's up, my friend? How are you, Anton?
Oh, fantastic. You know, it's interesting. I got a shirt exactly like yours just a few weeks ago. And I'm so glad that you put on that shirt because now we get to be twins.
Mine or Tom's blouse?
No. I actually
Beth,
have
can
one
you
that's
put
as well.
us up on the screen here so we can see where we're talking to?
You got it on your idiot monitor on your right.
I don't have that monitor anymore.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, yeah, I have one of Tony's, the one with white with the short sleeves, and I also have one of Tom's, the white Robert Graham with the cute little collars. It's very nice.
Did your shirt come in, Tom's shirt that you have, that's your shirt, did it come in your size? Can you do the collar? I mean, can you button it, the collar?
No, I don't button the collar. Are you kidding?
I know you don't, but could you if you had to? That's how you tell if a
Yeah,
shirt
yeah.
fits. Okay.
Of course he could. He's Anton.
Yeah, of course.
I was shocked the other day he could touch his toes.
Yeah. I stretch every.
I do not want to know what you guys do when I'm not here. Okay? I don't. I can live my whole life without knowing that, okay? I know. Anton, the next time he tells you to touch your toes, you don't have to do it, okay?
No, I was just trying to prove myself.
You're trying to win $10 back, weren't you?
Yeah, well, anyway. All right. So,
What do you got for us?
You guys, and I'm very happy about Sahil, of course. He is, oh my gosh, I'm going to miss him. So, seriously amazing intern. So, I don't know, I just have to say that, just to show everybody. All right. Nvidia, Iron Condor. We have to go. This is gonna be a little bit of a bigger one because we.
Didn't you start as an intern when you were in school?
I did. I actually graduated and started as an intern. I took the risk because I had other full-time offers, but I liked you guys so much that I risked not having the full-time offer. I came as an intern, and then look at this.
Look at this.
Look at this. Now, we all have regrets.
Oh goodness! All right. Yeah, let's just see the two.
Nvidia 77 Ivy rank with the earnings coming.
No pancakes for you next time. All right. Anyway, yes, Nvidia 78 IV rank. This is going to be a bigger one. But
$40 wide, Sosnoff. He's spending your money like it
is
was
it $40 wide? Is this? Do you even save any money?
Yeah, of course. You have earnings coming up in.
He wants you to use some of your gin money to finance this trade. That's why he went $40 wide.
It's a big stock. It also has earnings in I think next week. So you're basically going to be putting up. It's less than a third with the strikes that you get for a credit. That's how rich the premium is. So it's $40 wide. You're collecting $14.80. You're putting up $25.20 in buying power. And you are going through earnings, but I kind of like to do these Iron Condor earnings plays that are still, a month away. That way you get the earnings move and you get to hold it if the earnings move doesn't, go in your favor right away. 36 days away. And $4 wide.
Sosnoff, what say you?
I don't love it.
Wow.
You don't love it?
No, it's too.
He's
I don't
questioning his
I
hiring
don't like
skills
$40 wide Iron Condors, and I think you're too close to at the money. Like the 480s they're 30
the
deltas.
490s, but you don't have your glasses
490s.
on because you
Yeah.
two pistols in the snow.
27.
Oh, he's
whatever.
going to his research.
This is my notebook of every trade that you've taken from me in the last year. I haven't missed once. What do you mean you don't love it?
I
You want me to give him one for you?
I mean, I have an Nvidia position on. I am short the 545, 355 strangle, and
Oh, that's wide.
I know, but that's how I roll. And the stock's down a little bit this morning.
This is a little bit more aggressive. This is a little bit more, Hey, but listen, what you could, okay, here's a suggestion. You could instead of doing the Iron Condor, you could just do the strangle with the long strike. So short the 340, short the 530. That's another option.
Good.
Awesome.
All right. I have a position on here. Thank you, Mr. Anton.
Thank you, Anton.
Thank you for
Appreciate
playing.
it.
All right.
I think we're going to class up the joint a little bit and bring in Julia. Julia in the house. Julia, what's up? You do this, now we'll be in trouble.
Less than 7 seconds. That's what counts.
Oh, like Tom. All right, Julia, what do you got going on?
Hi, guys.
How are you?
Today I am looking at Microsoft, which might be a terrible mistake, but that's what I decided to do today.
Why?
Let's take a look at this trade.
I have
Can we pull up,
Microsoft
please?
positions. Microsoft IV rank at 27, no earnings, pretty
Yeah.
good.
It's just high enough for me to be able to trade it. However, the underlying is up like kind of a lot, like over 1% pre-market last time I checked. So I'm definitely going to have to shift my strikes from where they are now. I'm going to wait to put this on probably like an hour and a half after the market opens, something like that. But IV rank is pretty good. It's around 27.5. I wanted to go with something delta neutral, decided to go with an Iron Condor. Tom's going to call this a cheapie. I can't wait. So I went with the 295 300 put spread, 355 360 call spread, plus over $1 in credit for under 400 in buying power. I like my little positions. Not everybody. It's not for everybody, obviously, but I like my little
You
positions.
got a little upside skew in here.
Yeah, just a smidgen.
Yeah. I think you can change the strikes a little bit. Let's say.
Oof. Not making any fun
It's
today.
okay, Tony. I was expecting it.
Were you? Okay.
I like
I
the
will.
350,
I always expect it.
350, 355, 300, 295. I think that trades closer to, where do you want it, buck? Yeah, I need a little more credit.
So you moved it one strike.
I move the calls down one strike, and maybe trades a $1.30, $1.35 in that range.
Very good, very good.
Easy.
Easy
Yeah,
peasy.
not bad.
Julia, you
Maybe-
take rejection very well. Appreciate it.
I'm a professional at it by now.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Julia. Appreciate your
Yeah.
time. I think we're gonna bring in God. God, my man, what's up?
Good.
I haven't had the opportunity.
God, what's going on, my man?
I'm good. I'm gonna miss.
What are you looking at today?
So I'm looking for Dollar Tree
Do you know he played golf for the first time? Hit
Yeah.
golf pulse.
last weekend.
First time ever?
Yeah.
Don't do it, man.
Why?
Don't do it.
What's
It's
fine?
it's a time suck.
Really?
It's a time suck. Hard to master. Don't do it.
We took 2 hours. It was so long.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't do it.
So
All
today
right.
I'm gonna do Dollar Tree with our candle strategy. My position is 125, 135 on puts.
I actually have a position on it here. I have the put spread, the 135, 140, and the call spread, the 165, 170.
Good Ivy rank of 54.
It's almost the exact same position that you did here. You have the 125, 135, 165, 175.
Yep.
I have the 165, 170, 140, 135. I'm right in your little wheelhouse.
You're just like Baby Shark. Right in his wheelhouse. Got right there. Same thing. Perfect.
I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like it. I hope this trade's a winner. I literally have this trade on. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, awesome. Well, that was easy. Well, listen, we ended right at the perfect time. So let's take a quick 90-second break. Does it sound good to you?
Sound good to me.
God, can I have your approval?
Yep.
We'll take a quick 90-second break. We'll come back. We got the opening bell next.
Great.